This fire table is really unique. Is it something that we have new in the store?
The natural elements of concrete, woods, and things like that have been very, very, very popular. This gives us the appearance of concrete. However, it's much more durable because it's all aluminum. This particular unit has the drawer that slides out where there's a full-size propane tank underneath of it. You have instant on and off.
So this actually is going to give off heat?
Absolutely. This is not going to heat like over there or over there, but it's going to give a warming effect to this whole area. So on a cold night, you can come and get a little bit of warmth from it.
Well, what I really like about this table in particular is that there's a lot of space for like plates, for food, you know, even with or without the fire going, it's almost like a coffee table.
Well, you have to think of it as a coffee table. Because what happens is that most of the time, there's about 5 months during the year where you'll be using it pretty much on a regular basis. But you also have those warm summer months, May, June, July, August. It does have a lid that secures it and basically gives you a full service to use as a cocktail table during those months.
I love it.
Yeah, it's stunning.